Hi, today we are going to learn how to make Poha Chivda. Poha is flattened rice. It is a good source of carbohydrates packed with iron, it's rich in fiber, and also it's a good source of antioxidants and essential vitamins, and it is gluten free.
So this is our chivda. You can have it with tea or you can have it anytime as a snack. Mostly people make this during Diwali, the festival of lights in India, but it is a very good snack at all times and all seasons.
Let us see how we make Poha Chivda step by step.
So we take this and we sift it through the colander to remove all this. You see, we don't need this in the chivda. We will take 3 tablespoons peanuts, that is shaitana, 3 tablespoons dalia, this is puff chana dal. We will take 10 cashew nuts, a few raisins, kismish. Then we have a quarter teaspoon asafoetida, that is hing. This is half a teaspoon ajwain or carom seeds. Then we have 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds or til, white til. This is 2 teaspoon sugar. So we taken some curry leaves also. This is green chilies, 2 finely chopped. Half a cup of dry coconut sliced. We take a large pan. Pan has become hot. We roast this. As we roast, we can see the color changing. It should take just about 4 to 5 minutes. As this poha, this is the thin poha that we have to take, not the thick poha. The thin poha, you will see that it's already showing crispiness on its sides and it is changing color and also it is getting more fluffy. Poha is really nicely roasted now. It's become all puffed up. Now I'll put off the fire, but I will continue to stir this because I don't want it getting more burnt or more cooked on one side. As the vessel is still hot, I want this to get roasted nicely and evenly. So you saw this didn't even take 5 minutes. These are 5 cups of pressed rice or poha, the thin pressed rice. Taking this out in a thali. Now see this powder that you see, the poha powder, we have to throw this. And now we will put the coconut. This is dry coconut, sukha coconut. It gets cooked very fast. Now we add the poha. Keep stirring evenly till all the poha is coated with the masala. Just takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make this. So quick to make and so tasty. Now we put off the fire and we keep stirring and we allow it to cool and store it in a dry container. It should be an airtight container. Okay? So our chivda is ready. It is ready to be served. You can have it with tea or you can have it anytime as a snack. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.